Hi, today I'm going to show you another awesome feature of HighLevel. The Ring All feature allows you to link your main number with up to 8 employees so that all phones ring when a call comes in. The advantage here is that not just one specific employee received the call who might not be able to answer the phone at the moment, but all selected employees receive the call at the same time, and the first one to answer it gets connected to the caller. To set this up, you first need to go to the sub-account under Settings, My Staff, to ensure that you have added your required employees and also have a phone number stored for them. Then you go to Phone Numbers and click on the 3 small dots next to the number you want to use. There you choose Edit Configuration. A window will open where you can make all adjustments to your phone number. You probably already know it. Now, at the bottom, you find the new option Ring Incoming Call to all users. Pay attention to the info here. Calls will be forwarded to the user's selected channel, web app or mobile app. If both are selected in user settings, then only the web app will ring. Once you turn on this option, you just need to add the employees. In this example, we have a support number and our 3 support employees Chase, Kelsey and Sean should receive the call. Now save the settings and you're done. You can add up to 8 employees and help many agencies and businesses immensely. I hope you find this feature as cool as I do. See you in the next video.